If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. If you're going to try, go all the way. It could mean not eating for 3 or 4 days. It could mean freezing on a park bench. If you're going to try, go all the way. There is no other feeling like that. You will be alone with the gods, and the nights will flame with fire. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. All the way. All the way.
Team Jatayu, a band of 40 engineers, has been pushing the envelope in designing and racing an ATV of groundbreaking capabilities. The journey has led the team to the throne of the Indian circuit. Despite the minimal funding and lack of support, Team Jatayu has ushered in an era of dominance by establishing its position as one of the top 10 teams on Indian soil. The lack of funds and resources didn't deter the team from venturing into the prestigious SAE Baja Maryland competition. Team Jatayu served as an exemplar of a true underdog champion by achieving positions among the top 10 in the dynamic events in a sea of 100+ teams from the top universities of the world, thus receiving international acclaim and recognition.
This year the team aims for Baja SAE Tennessee. We need your support for the shipment of our ATV to US. Even though the lack of funds has created a lot of problems, but definitely with your support we can power through and achieve our dreams. Please help us achieve Rs 2 lakhs for our crowdfund campaign and be the part of our legacy.